Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am doing a voiceover today because my audio was completely ruined for this video and I didn't want to waste it. So as you can see, today we are using the Vida palette from Melt Cosmetics, and I just recently did a video with the Morphe palette, and you can see I just showed you guys that these are magnetic and they connect. And here are all the colors. They have a lot of vibrant colors in this palette as opposed to the other one. And today I am going to be using the green one. And green is my favorite color, so I wanted to start off with that green shade first. And you can see here I have some warm tones, which I am thinking about doing a video with the warmer shades. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see the warmer shades next. So here I am just going to start off with the color Atoll. Atoll is a really nice blending shade, a transition shade, and I'm just putting that in the crease with a fluffy brush. And I usually like to create a shape with the transition, so I'm just laying down a base. And then here I'm going to go in with papel picado. And you can see here that it's a matte and it's not as vibrant as the other one. I'm going to be totally honest with you guys. I was expecting it to be super vibrant like the Morphe palette. And then here I'm just going to add a little bit of shimmer, which is the color Sarape. And then I'm going to define the outer crease with the color Chocolate. And to be honest, you guys, these eyeshadows were a little bit difficult for me to blend. I'm sure it's because they're super pigmented and I'm just not used to such strong pigment. I'm used to things that are a little bit more sheer, a little bit more buttery. I'm trying to figure out a trick to using these to making it a little bit more easy for me, but right now just using it, it was a little bit hard for me to blend. So if things are not looking great, it's because I need some more practice using this particular formula. And then next, I am using this eyeliner from L'Oreal, and it's awesome. I love it. It's really cool. I think it's called like a cat define. I'll put it in the description. It comes with this little stencil, which is really cute and neat. I thought it was a cool little tool that it came with. Anyway, I really like it. It's comparable to my Huda Beauty. It's a brush tip. I actually reached for this eyeliner a little bit more than my Huda Beauty one just because I like the ink flow a little bit better. And now I'm going to go in with these Koko lashes in Heiress. I love these. Koko lashes are so underrated. Everybody needs to use those a lot more. They're so beautiful. To finish off the lower lash line, I'm just going to use the color Papel Picado again, and I'm just going to blow it out. And here I'm going to use my Coconut Beach by ColourPop bronzer, which I love. It's a beautiful shade. And I'm using this Sonia Kashuk brush that I got at Target. It was on clearance. And if you don't know, Sonia Kashuk sold her brand to Target a long time ago, so now they only sell tools. And this is the first brush that I've gotten since then, and it's amazing, super soft. Now I'm going to go in with this cream blush by ColourPop, and it's called Between the Sheets, and it's one of their best sellers, so I decided to get it, and it's beautiful. It's a very beautiful shade of pink, and I'm just going to apply it with a synthetic brush all over the cheeks. And for highlight, I'm using my Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight today, and I'm just going to put that on the tops of the cheeks just very lightly to give me a very soft glow. Nothing too dramatic today. Usually I like it very shimmery, but today we're going to go in with something light. And now just to set everything, I'm using my Morphe setting mist and this little fan I got from Amazon. Comes in really handy for this part. And then to finish off the eyes, I'm just going to put some mascara on my lower lashes, and I also use my fan for this part so that I can dry my mascara quickly and then it doesn't transfer on my lower lashes, because my lower lashes are pretty long, and if the mascara takes forever to dry, it can transfer onto my cheeks. And here I'm just saying that Koko lashes are beautiful and they're really underrated. Nobody really uses them, and I would totally recommend them, you guys. They're really pretty. and affordable. Here I'm using LA Girls Cafe lip liner, and then I am just filling it in with Truffle liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors, which I forgot how pretty this shade is. And just to lighten it up a little bit, I used Sand, which is also from Dose of Colors, right in the center. Sand is a really good shade if you just want to lighten up any color that you use. It's kind of like almost a concealer shade. And that completes the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Here I'm just kind of giving you my first impressions. I'm talking about the palette. It was a little bit hard for me to blend, like I mentioned earlier. I do feel like there's a trick to applying these eyeshadows that I'm just not aware of. I want to see Laura actually apply the shades so I can see how she uses it, because her eyeshadow looks look amazing in all her pictures. But other than that, I still feel like this palette is something that I'm going to reach for in the future. I'm going to play with it a lot more, try to get used to it. But I did really like the way my look came out. In the end, it looks really pretty. And I am very, very intrigued by these warmer shades in the palette, the darker red tones, the vibrant orange tones, which I want to create a look with, like this color here, Mexicana, Alegría, Pan Dulce. Those colors on this palette are very, very beautiful. So let me know in the comments below if you guys are interested in a red eyeshadow look, red orangey look, and I will try to get that out to you. But as always, thank you guys so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.